Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi. Today here we have the 4-port USB and MOS screen. Okay, as you can see on the front here, it has 4 USB type A's and two 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. Alright, let's grab my scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, so inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get an instructional leaflet, which I'll show you in a sec. First, let's take a look at the product. Okay, so let's give you a nice little 360 view here. Okay. And then let's get the plate off for installation. That's nice and easy. With your fingers, grab onto the edges and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and it pops off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, at the side here are your screw holes, which you'll fasten to the pattress box. Okay, let's flip it on around. Here at the top, you can see that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice that it'll need a bridging system there, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get the full power to the USBs. Just flip it on over to the side. Okay, so you'll be able to see here that you'll need at least a 47mm depth pattress box, so that you have enough room for your USBs and the cords to fit in there. Okay? So the cool thing about these guys is, let's say your old light switches don't match the new painted walls. Not a problem. You can get one of the plates, pop it on nice and easy, just like that, and now you match again. All right, so let's get this one off and put the original back on. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then let's just take a quick little look at the instructional leaflet. Okay, on one side, you have a whole bunch of different social media areas, which you can head on over to any one of those. Give us a like or follow. We would greatly appreciate it. On the other side is multiple ways that you can contact us. Either phone number, email, or messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll see a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page, and it'll give you a bunch of tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. On the one side here, you have our SKU code, the ART-SKT213USBMG for MOS screen. Our barcode there, and in the top left-hand corner here is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, if we flip the bag on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. All right, if you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please leave us a like and a comment as to what you'd like us to do next, and make sure that subscribe button is turned on with the bell notification on so you can stay up to date with everything Trendi. All right, have a trendy day.